Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Enhance on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project on your device and you can find the lower bar. New, if you want to use the enhance or change option, I don't know how to say that, just click to the enhance option next to the face, tap that, and if you click to the white circle, the white icon, sorry, you can set that just pile on the line, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.